Yunus from Germany.
Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum salam wa
I have a complicated question. So, if someone drinks khamr and then he wants to repent, then it's clear his intention should be, I never want to drink again. But if I remember something I did and I don't know whether it's haram, like if I ate something and I think, I don't like it, what should my intention be? Should my intention be I never eat it again, but it may be halal? And generally, when repenting, what should my intention be? So should I formulate a sentence in my head like, I'll try my best to behave correctly, or should I just say astaghfirullah wa atubu ilayhi? Like, what should I think in my head? What should my plan always be?
Because okay, first of all, Akhi, such questions may indicate that a person has a problem. And why do I say this? I sit a lot with people with OCD, and I mean a lot. And I know how they speak, how they talk, how they think. The issue of overthinking and exaggerating trivial things to be as big as a mountain in their heads is almost a fixed situation with all of them. We don't assume the worst. Everything by default is halal until proven otherwise. So if you remember something and you're not sure that it is halal or haram, shrug your shoulders and move on. Just brush it off because it's halal. But maybe, Sheikh, don't maybe or what if. This is what shaitan does best, to distort your process of thinking and derail you from the straight path. Totally ignore it, akhi. You ate something haram, you're certain of its being haram, ask Allah for forgiveness and repent. You're not certain, then the default is it's halal until proven otherwise. This is the only way to save yourself from OCD, to ignore. If you don't ignore and you start saying, what if, this would have the snowball effect. It will grow bigger and bigger and bigger until it takes you in its path. And may Allah Azza wa Jal saves us. May Allah Azza wa Jal save us all. Maz from the UK.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Sheikh, I don't think you would have got a question like this before, but it's also like a bit funny. Basically, if a husband finds his wife too attractive, and if she's around, he's always distracted. He can't focus on his work and get his tasks done. Is it permissible to ask his wife to cover up?
No, it's not. He should man up and ask Allah Azza wa Jal to grant him the ability to be grateful and thankful and show his gratitude to Allah Azza wa Jal. What kind of a person would have a gorgeous wife and ask her to cover up? And what kind of a man who would be distracted by the beauty of his wife after a week? Come on, give me a break. This is not a funny question. This is a mental illness with such a person who is distracted by the beauty of his wife. Instead of enjoying what Allah made halal for him and making the best of every minute with such a wife and showing his gratitude to Allah, he wants to cover her up. What about if he finds money in his bank account after years of saving? Wouldn't that distract him as well? I can send you my bank account if you want to not be distracted. This is not logical nor normal. May Allah Azza wa Jal protect us all.